Hello and welcome to part 2 of our coverage of the manual equipped cars at the 2021 Platinum Racing Products GTR Challenge. Now we're at the pointy end of the field. Let's see who won the 3 different manual categories and who made it into the 8-second club.
David Anton in his R32 from Dartone Racing has a habit of returning with new mods each year. And this year was the same. He now runs a Nitto 3.2 litre stroker kit in the RB30 block with a Precision 8685 turbo on a 6-boost manifold. It blows through a Plasmaman intercooler but uses a Dartone Racing 6-throttle drive-by-wire system. There is a Platinum Racing Products mechanical fuel pump kit, trigger kit and LS1 alternator kit with a Haltech Elite 2500 controlling it all. The car is made up to 1,000 kilowatts or 1,341 horsepower in the old money, which it sends to the wheels via a Samsonus 6-speed sequential. Inside there is Nismo seat covers, retrimmed wheel and a Haltech IC7 dash, and outside there is carbon N1 items and 15-inch Buddy Club wheels wrapped in drag radials. Next up is Tom's R33 GTR from Pereira Motorsport. It has been re-sprayed in R35 grey and the stock wheels are wrapped in Hoosier drag radials. Under the hood, it is a built RB3026 with a Precision 7675 and a Haltech ECU, making an easy 1,000 horsepower on 36 psi through an OS 88 sequential transmission. Sal's 32 Jet from Motorsports Mechanical was the second quickest H pattern at the event. Built RB30 with Aeroflow turbo and TurboSmart external wastegate, blows into a Hypertune intercooler and V2 inlet manifold. There is also Hypertune billet cam covers, R35 coil pack kit and a Platinum Racing Products trigger kit. With a Haltech ECU, the car makes 1,200 horsepower through a 5-speed dog box. Out of the IPR Racing stable in Canberra was Tim's R33. This car steps it up every event and this time came sporting a Nitto 3.2 litre stroker inside the built RB30 block with a Precision 8385 turbocharger with TurboSmart external wastegate. There is a nitrous kit and it's all controlled by a Haltech Elite 2500 to the tune of nearly 1,400 horsepower, which is sent through a Hollinger sequential transmission. There's a Haltech IC7 digital dash and the car runs a mixed wheel and tyre combo with Buddy Club 15s at the back with ET Street Rs, but 18-inch T37s up front to fit the Alcon brakes wrapped in Mickey Thompson Street SS. Next up is the quickest H pattern at the event. Con Pili, the Spin Master with his R32 aka 747, built and tuned by Matooks Racing. The tried and proven package of Nitto 3.2 stroker inside a built RB3026 with Precision 7685 turbo on a 6-boost exhaust manifold with Turbo Smart external wastegate. Con's car uses a stock inlet manifold converted to single throttle and a Haltech ECU to make over 1300 horsepower through a PPG 5-speed dog box. Inside, it's full retrim, roll cage and Haltech IC7 digital dash. On the outside, it's a concept garage front lip and carbon N1 bonnet and boot lip spoilers and Buddy Club 15-inch wheels wrapped in ET Street Rs. Navi from B2R Motorsport returned in what is still the outright manual record-holding GTR at Cootamundra Airport. It still runs a Nitto 3.2-litre stroker kit inside a built RB3026, but uses a Precision 8685 turbocharger, which blows into a Hypertune V2 inlet manifold with drive-by-wire. R35 coils, Hypertune radiator, and a touch of gold finishes off the engine bay. With a Link ECU controlling the show, it can make upwards of 1400 horsepower with nitrous as required, but it races at Cootamundra on more like 1100 horsepower, channeled through an Albin sequential transmission. Inside is a full retrim and Motec digital dash, and outside it's raised Gramlite wheels wrapped in ET Street Rs with Brembo brakes inside and a Motive headlight duct. Justin Dean's on-song R32 GTR from Birrong Automotive was the quickest 2.6 block manual at the event and third quickest outright. It uses a Nitto 2.8-litre stroker kit with Birrong CNC ported heads and has a Precision 7675 strapped to the side with Turbo Smart external wastegate and a Hypertune V2 inlet manifold with drive-by-wire. It uses an M-Tron ECU and makes well over 1,000 horsepower via a Samsonus 6-speed sequential transmission. Inside, there's a digital dash and Sparco steering wheel, and on the outside, it's all Nissan bodywork, and he uses Buddy Club wheels, but unlike many others, they are 17s to fit big brakes, and they are wrapped in Mickey Thompson ET Street Rs. A car we've been waiting a long time to see return to Cootamundra Airport is Glenn's Goat 32 from Croydon Racing Developments. Looking over the car, it's hard to know where to start. It's incredible and worth its own video feature, which we have coming soon. Concept garage drag front bar, 15-inch Buddy Club wheels, wrapped in ET Street R's. Inside it's caged, custom retrim with carbon seats and Motec digital dash. Under the hood is a work of art, with Bullet RB30 billet block, CRD race-ported head, and Precision Pro Mod 88 turbo with all the fruit from Hypertune. A Motec ECU controls the show, and the car can make over 1,500 horsepower when pushed, but at Cootamundra, it was more of a shakedown for the car. Recently, Glenn's Goat 32 became the first true street manual GTR into the sevens, running a 791 at 188 miles per hour. Simply mental for a car that has rego and drove home after it ran the pass. The quickest true street manual at the 2021 Platinum Racing Products GTR Challenge, and the only one to run into the 8s at this event, was David's GTR B32 from Croydon Racing Developments. Like Glenn's car, it uses a Bullet RB30 billet block, but has a smaller 8385 turbocharger. Smaller it may be, but the car has still gone 8-1 at the track. It uses a Hypertune exhaust manifold with Turbo Smart external wastegates, Hypertune V2 inlet manifold with drive-by-wire, Platinum Racing Products mechanical fuel pump kit, R35 coil pack kit, and has a Motec ECU. Inside there is carbon seats, Motec digital dash, and the lever for the Samsonus sequential transmission. At the end of the weekend, this is how the top 10 leaderboard looked for the True Street manual GTRs.
The manual GTR record at Cootamundra Airport wasn't broken this year, but we have no doubt it won't last much longer. Our next slot of coverage will be the automatic equipped GTRs, with more of them in the 8-second bracket than ever. Make sure you subscribe and press the notification bell so you don't miss out. See you then.